right, everyone. Well, we had a resistance play that panned out, at least initially. If you remember last night, I was talking about the resistance point here, possible support point there. Really came into play early in the New York session, late in the London session. The first point was right about here. This is 5:30 a.m. The three-bar reversal broke down. It went into profit very quickly. We got a 25 pip move within about 17 minutes, and then the market just turned around. So if you were on an autopilot trade and you were just looking to enter something in, if you did get filled, hit the first profit target, second one went out at the break-even point. If you were watching this thing, though, sorry about that. If you were watching this thing, let's kind of walk through how to gauge the market as it comes into these different areas. The main thing to remember here is when you're trading, and hopefully this will let some of you off the hook, at least mentally speaking. When you're in the thick of things and you're trading, sorry, I'm trying to adjust my seat at the same time as I'm talking here. My wife got me this great Aeron chair. 15 years of trading, and I finally have what I would call a real chair. God, this thing is really comfortable, but tough to adjust. When you're coming into this point, okay, we can see we've got resistance. We can see we've got resistance. You're not going to remember every little thing about the marketplace. This is the time when you've got to focus on just one thing and one thing alone. Let's go ahead and focus down here for a second. Follow through. Is the market following through or not? If the market's going to follow through to the downside, then resistance will hold and the market will break through the lows. Generally speaking, it will follow through to the downside very, very quickly. You won't get the market pussyfooting around. It'll break through support and keep running simply because that's the way the markets work. If instead it follows through to the upside, odds are, folks, the position is not going to somehow miraculously turn around. Now, in general, though, what do we do as traders? Well, we hang around. We think, well, maybe it'll come back. As the market starts to break through, let's go ahead and zoom in really close here. As the market's, well, maybe not that close. As the market starts to break through, okay, we've got our little resistance line here, our support line running down there.